Hi there and welcome to this English Made Simple course where we will be looking at vocabulary and expressions to help talk about our feelings. Now, as human beings, it's obviously very important that we are comfortable expressing ourselves and telling other people how we feel. And this course is the perfect place to start. Each lecture is very simple and very clear. We will introduce the new piece of vocabulary or the new expression, and we will then use it with one or two examples to really help you get an idea of the context. Throughout the course, you will find many questions allowing you to test your knowledge as you work your way through the lectures. So, it's a very simple design, it's very easy to follow. And at the end of it, you will feel much more confident with your English conversation and much more confident when it comes to expressing yourself. I look forward to hearing any of your feedback. If you have any questions or problems during the course, please just send me a message. So now I will leave you to get started, and I want to wish you all the best, and I hope you enjoy the course.